Students, myself Parthasarathi from Saimedha Coaching Center, Hyderabad. Tspsc-Aee అప్లికేషన్ డేట్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అయిపోయింది, అందరికీ తెలుసు. అండ్ ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా మనకు జనవరిలో ఉండే అవకాశం ఉన్న విషయం కూడా మనకు ఈ మధ్య అందరికీ తెలిసిందే. సో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇన్ జనవరి Tspsc-Aee ఎగ్జామ్ విల్ బి దేర్. సో ఇక్కడ ప్రిపరేషన్ అవుతున్న ఏడబ్ల్యూ విద్యార్థులందరికీ ఒక్కొక్క సబ్జెక్ట్, ఫస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ని ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ కావాలి, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ని ఎలా హార్డ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటే ఎందుకు హార్డ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు, దాన్ని ఎలా ఈజీగా చేయాలి అన్న ఆలోచనతో ఇక్కడ డీటెయిల్గా నేను ఈఎంఎఫ్ థియరీని మీకు పార్ట్స్గా డైలీ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. బికాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్, electromagnetic field subject is a fundamental subject for electrical engineering as well as electronics engineering. This is a old syllabus subject. అంటే సర్క్యూట్ థియరీ కంటే ముందు మనం డెవలప్ చేసుకున్న థియరీ కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఫీల్డ్ థియరీ అంటాం. సో ఫీల్డ్ థియరీ తర్వాత మనకు సర్క్యూట్ థియరీ వచ్చింది. ఆ సర్క్యూట్స్లో మనము నెట్వర్క్ సర్క్యూట్ థియరీ, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ సర్క్యూట్ థియరీ అనలాగ్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్, డివైజెస్ ఇవన్నీ చదువుతున్నాం. So field theory is a fundamental subject for electrical engineering as well as electronics engineering. Here the style of preparation, academic point of view one side and competitive exam point of view another side. In academic point of view, if you prepare last 1 week also you will get score excellent marks. But in a competitive exam, most of the questions are asking from concepts or application oriented questions. So most of the questions are concept oriented question and most of the question application oriented of questions. So to solve this type of question, concept oriented questions and application oriented question, first we must know the complete syllabus of the given subject. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయినా సరే, అప్లికేషన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయినా సరే 100%గా ఎప్పుడు సాల్వ్ చేస్తాడంటే అతనికి ఫస్ట్ ఆ సిలబస్ పైన, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ పైన గట్టి పట్టు ఉండాలి. లేకపోతే మనం ఎలాంటి కాన్సెప్ట్నైనా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేం. జస్ట్ వి నో ఫార్ములాస్ యూనిట్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు 100% సక్సెస్ అయ్యే విధంగా ఇయర్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ దిస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ electromagnetic fields. Students, the complete syllabus electromagnetic fields. Now I want to explain here the subject. Now I divided into 5 parts. Here part 1 is coordinate systems, part 2 is vector analysis, part 3 is electrostatics, part 4 magnetostatics, part 5 is time varying fields. Here very important point, if you are not understand part 1 coordinate system, then మనము part 2 కూడా వెళ్ళలేం. అదే మనము academic point of view లో without part 1 part 2 we can easily study part 3 part 4 part 5, you will get 100/100 marks also. But in a competitive exam, students listen, in a competitive exam there is a flow chart, there is an algorithm, there is a path. If you prepare that type of path only, you will remember, you will get confidence, you will solve 100%. ఆ పాతే ఇక్కడ నేను డివైడ్ చేసిన పార్ట్స్. పార్ట్ 1 కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్, పార్ట్ 2 వెక్టర్ అనాలిసిస్, పార్ట్ 3 ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్స్, part 4 magnetostatics. After that part 5 is time varying electromagnetic fields. In electromagnetic field theory, most of the questions numerical based questions. Most of the questions numerical based question. So to solve such type of numerics, first you must know formula and condition is very important. To know that formula, first we know the condition and the basic laws also. That's why I am explaining here what are the part name, chapter name, in that chapter what we are discussing also. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ టీఎస్పీఎస్సీ ఏడబ్ల్యూ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ థియరీ నుంచి మీరు ఈజీగా 5 to 7 మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఆ 5 to 7 మార్క్స్ వీడియోస్ చూడండి. మన సాయిమేధ స్పేస్ గేట్ అకాడమీలో కంప్లీట్ ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ మెటీరియల్ కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్లో కూడా డీటెయిల్గా చెప్తున్నాం. ఆ చెప్పిన తర్వాత ప్రతి టాపిక్కి మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ పెట్టేసి యాజ్ యూజువల్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేపిస్తున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ నేను మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ థియరీ సబ్జెక్ట్ని ఎంత ఈజీగా నేర్చుకోవాలో మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ద ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాటజీ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్స్. సో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫస్ట్ హియర్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ థియరీ, the fields, electric field components, magnetic field components. Electric field components are D and E, where D is electric flux density, E is electric field intensity. Similarly, magnetic field components are B and H, where B is magnetic flux density, H is magnetic field intensity. So here the electric field components and magnetic field components are vector components. Vector components, vector means what? Which consist of magnitude as well as direction. So here to represent the field components which are vectors, to represent the field components graphically, to represent the field components graphically, here we require a coordinate system. We require a coordinate system. That coordinate system, orthogonal coordinate system. In that orthogonal coordinate system, there are 3 types of coordinates: rectangular coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system, and spherical coordinate system. Here, first I will explain in coordinate system, in rectangular coordinate system, in cylindrical coordinate system, in spherical coordinate system, what are the coordinates, how a vector represent in that coordinate system, how a scalar represent in that coordinate system, and what are the coordinates names and range we will discuss. Where? In rectangular coordinate system, in cylindrical coordinate system, in spherical coordinate system. After that we will understand how to convert also one coordinate system to another coordinate system. That is basic, students. మొట్టమొదటిగా మనం ఒక కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్ని చదువుకుంటాం. ఆ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్స్లో 3 కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్ చదువుకుంటున్నాం: రెక్టాంగులర్, సిలిండ్రికల్, స్పెరికల్. బికాస్ సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సెకండ్ పార్ట్ నుండి 5th పార్ట్ వరకు కంప్లీట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్. That's why every point is very important. In rectangular coordinate system, in cylindrical coordinate system, in spherical coordinate system, what are the coordinates, how a vector represents in that coordinate system, and how a scalar represent in that coordinate system, we will discuss in part 1. After that, by using the 3 coordinate systems, we will start vector analysis. Here vector analysis, vector addition, subtraction, multiplication, differentiation and integration. And addition, subtraction, multiplications are that is up to intermediate level, everyone knows. But here vector differentiation, vector integration is most important and very important. Every topic from unit 3, unit 4, unit 5 are explaining in terms of vector calculus only, either in differentiation form or in integration form. So here vector differentiation, vector integration is most important to understand this field theory subject. So here to understand this vector differentiation, the vector differentiation I am explaining here 4 parts: gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian. Gradient, divergence, curl, Laplacian. First we understand what is gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian. What is the formula in rectangular coordinate system, in cylindrical coordinate system and spherical coordinate system. Then after that, using inputs Input may be scalar or vector. Using inputs, how to perform these 4 operations: gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian. After that, we will understand the significance of these 4 operations also: gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian. Students, 50% questions based on these 4 operations only: gradient, divergence, curl and Laplacian. Here very important point, how to remember these 4 formulas in 3 coordinate system is very difficult, but here I will explain very easily. 100% you will get easily. I will explain how to solve gradient, divergence, curl, Laplacian problems. After differentiation, we will discuss here vector integration. So, vector integration is also classified into 3 types here: line integration, surface integration and volume integration. And again this line integral, surface integral, volume integral, 3 operations we will discuss in rectangular, cylindrical and spherical. So, students, in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, almost every equipment, every instrument, every system compulsory require electromagnetic fields or electromagnetic waves. So, to solve these fields or waves, 100% we are using a mathematical tool. That mathematical tool is vector analysis. That is why intermediate physics vector concept is very important. From vector concept onwards, we will discuss these 5 operations. So, what are the 5 operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, differentiation and integration in 3 coordinate system. Here that is part 2. Once you understand part 2, now we are entering into electrostatics. Yes, in electrostatics, what is the source? That is charge. Charge again classified into 2 types: point charge, distribution of charge. The distribution of charge can be explained in terms of line charge density, surface charge density, volume charge density. So, based on this point charge and distribution of charge, here we are discussing 2 basic laws. One is Coulomb's law, second one is Gauss law. So, here you understand what is the statement of these laws and what is the formula of this law and what is the applications of this law. Because most of the questions in laws, they are asking condition, formula, applications. That is why you prepare especially electromagnetic field theory, most of the theory is laws only. Biot-Savart's law, Ampere circuit law, Faraday's law, like that. So, that is why every law first you understand the statement, after that condition, from that statement a mathematical equation, from that equation application. If you prepare statement, then after that formula, after that concept and condition, then after that application, then you will get easily all these topics. So, students, in electrostatics, first we are discussing Coulomb's law, after that Gauss law. Finally, application means by using Coulomb's law and Gauss law, we can find electric field components. Electric field components in vector form D and E using Coulomb's law, using Gauss law. After finding these 2 field components, how to find potential, electric potential from these electric field components we will discuss. Once you understand electric potential and electric field components due to charge rho L, rho S, rho V, then we will discuss some special applications: continuity equation, Poisson's equation, Laplacian equation, which are very useful in field theory. Finally, I told application. So, what is the application of electrostatic means? Here capacitance. The application of electrostatic is capacitance. What is capacitor, what is capacitance, and different cables, different transmission cables, we are finding capacitance and energy density, here we are discussing. So, electrostatics nunchi మనకి ఎన్ని మార్కులు వస్తవి అని పక్కన పెట్టేస్తే అసలు ఆ టాపిక్ని ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరిగా నేను చెప్తున్నటువంటి సిస్టమ్ని నువ్వు ఫాలో కావాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇఫ్ యు స్టార్ట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్, నో యూస్. బట్ అకాడమిక్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, ఇఫ్ యు స్టార్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్, యూ విల్ గెట్ మార్క్స్. In competitive point of view, I am telling again, without chapter 1, chapter 2, without chapter 1, chapter 2, no use. That's why first you complete coordinate system, then vector analysis, then enter into electrostatics. And here also every topic you write, what is the statement, what is the equation, what is the condition, and finally what are the applications. Every law you write. After that, in that the field components, potential components are in numerical side, he will give in one of the coordinate system. By using that vector components means D and E and scalar component potential, again you solve numerical questions. That's why I am telling students, most of the subject will come by practicing numerical questions only. That's why here I will explain number of questions in different manner. That's why please watch this video and please understand this one, and finally you will get success. That is electrostatic preparation. Once you understand electrostatic concepts, magnetostatic concept is very easy. Same thing, here we studied Coulomb's law, there we are studying Biot-Savart's law. Here Gauss law, here Ampere's law, here electric fields, here magnetic fields, here electric potential, here magnetic potential, here capacitance, in magnetic field inductance. And most of the questions in a competitive exam, they are asking solenoid toroid also. And most of the question concept means they are asking the relation, the analogy between electric field and magnetic fields also. That's why first read electrostatic, learn electrostatic, solve electrostatic, then only enter into magnetostatic. Students, problem based learning is very important in this subject. Means you are learning the subject by using solving of problems only, because the concept, the application they are asking in numericals, understand the concept. After that, what is the application? For that application, which formula is required? Using that formula at what condition, and what is the statement? Reverse order. That's why problem solving is very, very, very important. Most of the question, most of the numerical questions we are giving in our app also. So every problem how to solve I will explain here. After that you solve all problems. Don't watch problems, solve problems. Then only you will get confidence here. So students, once you understand this electrostatics and magnetostatics, in this third chapter and fourth chapter, the field components are stationary. That means the source is, which is stationary. After that, fifth chapter, time varying electromagnetic fields. In time varying electromagnetic fields, the field components, electric field components and magnetic field components are dependent to each other. That means a time varying magnetic field develops an electric field, a time varying electric field develops a magnetic field. Once I am telling, a time varying magnetic field develops electric field, a time varying electric field develops a magnetic field. But this field theory is complete mathematically oriented subject. What I explained just now, the same thing we are proving mathematically only, and we are solving mathematically only. That's why your mathematics subject problem solving is very, very important in our field theory. After field theory, circuit theory subjects came. After circuit theory, the application of circuits means analog electronics, digital circuits, analog all these circuits are coming. That's why field theory is the fundamental subject, oldest subject. Here complete the analysis using mathematics only. Students, And here in time varying fields, to explain a time varying magnetic field, how it depends on electric field, and a time varying electric field develops magnetic field. Here we are discussing two special laws. One is Faraday's law and modified Ampere's law. Faraday's law and modified Ampere's law. Finally, here in field theory, we will conclude EMF only, electromagnetic fields, electro-induced force, EMF, electromotive force. So here the final chapter in time varying fields, how a magnetic field, when a magnetic field is varying with respect to time, how electric field develop. When a electric field is varying with respect to time, how magnetic field develop, we are discussing by using Maxwell's equations. So students, compulsory in time varying fields, after these two laws, we are discussing Maxwell's equations. Maxwell's equations in time varying fields. So in chapter 3 and 4, that means in electrostatics and magnetostatics, from Gauss law and from electric field and potential relation, here also we are discussing two Maxwell's equation, but here the field components are stationary. Same thing in chapter 4 also we are discussing another two Maxwell's equations. So totally from chapter 3 and chapter 4 we are discussing four Maxwell's equations. That four Maxwell's equations, two Maxwell's equation in electrostatic, two Maxwell's equation in magnetostatic. After that again we are discussing Maxwell's equation when the fields are varying with respect to time. So this is our syllabus in AEE. So students, here now onwards I will explain every part in detail. First listen and watch the video, and after that solve number of questions. I am giving concept, I am giving application, I am explaining condition. You solve number of questions, you will get full confidence, because this electromagnetic fields, this electromagnetic waves is very important for electrical engineering and electronics and communication engineering students, because in generations, distribution and machines, transformer, everywhere electric fields, magnetic fields, compulsory fundamentals required. All this concept here we are discussing. That's why electromagnetic field subject is very important for EEE and ECE. Here I am explaining for Tspsc-Aee students here how to score 100% from this subject. And students, once again I am telling, Tspsc-Aee exam అనేది మనకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన నోటిఫికేషన్లో డిసెంబర్ ఆర్ జనవరి అన్నారు. సో మ్యాక్సిమం ఎగ్జామ్ మనకు జనవరిలో ఉంటుంది. సో ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది కంపల్సరీ. ఇక్కడ ప్రిపరేషన్ లేకుండా మనం ఎలాంటి జాబ్ను చేయలేము. అది ఓన్గా ప్రిపేర్ అయితే ఒక రకంగా ఉంటుంది, కంపల్సరీ ఒక గైడెన్స్ దగ్గర ప్రిపేర్ అయితే మాత్రం 100% మీకు రిజల్ట్ కూడా వస్తుంది. స్టూడెంట్స్, దానికోసము మిమ్మల్ని మీరు అనుకున్న గోల్ని రీచ్ కావడానికి మన స్పేస్ గేట్ అండ్ సాయిమేధ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ సంయుక్తంగా మీ అందరికీ ఏడబ్ల్యూ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ ఆన్లైన్లోనూ ఆఫ్లైన్లోనూ మనకు కంప్లీట్ కోర్స్ అనేది ఉంది, ఆఫ్లైన్లో కూడా ఉంది. సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఇక్కడ సార్ నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ స్క్రోల్ అవుతుంది, ఆ నెంబర్కి మీరు డీటెయిల్స్ చేసుకొని కనుక్కోండి. బట్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. కష్టపడితేనే మనకు సుఖం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్, preparation strategy, time management, both are very important to success. So here మిమ్మల్ని 100% రిజల్ట్ తీసుకురావడానికి నా వంతు కృషిగా మిమ్మల్ని ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ థియరీని చాలా ఈజీగా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ దిస్ వీడియోస్ and share to your friends and subscribe, like it. Thank you.